Hey everyone, so today's video we're going to do something simple, just got to have some patience with it. Making chewy chocolate chip meringue cookies. 3 ingredients, but they take some time, very low oven, and very good. So, hope you enjoy, please like and subscribe, and here we go. Okay, so here we go. I have the oven preheating to 275 degrees. I have about a cup of egg whites here. Now for me, this was 9 large egg whites into a pot. To that, I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. Okay, I'm going to turn this on to medium-low heat. Basically, we just want to heat this up enough to melt the sugar. Keep stirring this. You're trying not to cook the eggs too much. Like I said, you just want to heat it to melt the sugar. Now let this go, and we'll continue on here in a few seconds. So we're about halfway there. You'll be able to tell with whatever spoon you're using or whisk when the sugar is dissolved. So obviously, like I said, medium-low heat, because you don't want scrambled egg whites. You just want enough heat to basically melt the sugar, which we are almost there. And keep stirring. Like I said, we don't want scrambled eggs. We're making meringue cookies. So continue this until we're ready to go to the mixer. Okay, the sugar is dissolved. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to look a little cloudy because you are adding heat to it. So, I'm going to stop the video and we're going to head to the mixer. Okay, so we're at the mixer. Here we got the egg whites. Pour it into the bowl. And I'm going to scrape as much of the egg whites out as I can. Don't want to leave anything behind. And then we're going to beat on high until we get stiff peaks. 5 or 10 minutes. We're about halfway there. It's a bit noisy, but we're getting there. Okay, so this is basically what you want. You want to be able to pick it up with a spoon. See how it's not runny? That's what you want. So, now to this, I'm going to add some chopped milk chocolate. If you have chocolate chips, use that. I just decided to use some leftover chocolate we had here. I know, how can somebody have leftover chocolate? And here, fold this in on low, medium on your mixer. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to remove the beaters. Oh, get it all over my hands. Here's where we go from here. So I have 2 spoons. Now you can make these as big or as little as you want. I'm doing it like this. I'm just going to plop them right down on some lined cookie trays. Just like so. Now these will not spread very far, so you can make them as big as you want, as little as you want. So I'll do the rest of this I'll be back shortly. Okay, so here we go. I have 2 sheets ready. So into a 275 degree oven for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. Basically, you want to dry out the cookies so they have a nice shell on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. So into the oven. So it's been about an hour since I put the cookies in the oven, and after 50 minutes or so I turned off the oven and kept the cookies in there. So now I'm just going to take them out, and I've left them in there for about another hour. I'm only going to take out 1 tray for right now. Oh, and my phone just went off. It's right there. There you go. Meringue cookies. I'm going to let these cool on the tray for 10 or 15 minutes, and then very carefully transfer them to the wire rack, and then let them cool completely for a couple hours. So there you have it. Chocolate chip meringue cookies. I'll just show you one here. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. Good all over. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. And that's it. Enjoy.